Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me as I wash my locks with two new products that have come highly recommended by all of you, and these include the Locs Shampoo and the Design Essentials Scalp Treatment Oil. I will be using these two combined to show you guys what it looks like in my regimen, how it works with my hair, and how it could potentially work for your hair. So just to give a little backstory, we are almost at the pre-launch date of the Naughty Curl Club, which is our very own subscription box made just for women with locks and features a lot of the products made by Black-owned businesses and girl entrepreneurs. So when we first started the giveaway, I asked for you guys' email, and since then we've been talking, conversing back and forth, just sharing the things that we like, some of the things that you guys like, you've been sharing it with me, things that you don't like, brands that you love, brands that you don't love, all of that cool stuff. And so based on you guys' feedback, these two products are two of the many products that will be featured in box number 1. So I'm really excited, and I thought what better time than now to use these products and show you all how it works for me in my routine. And just to be honest, I've never used these products at all, but because you guys have recommended the Locs Shampoo and the Design Essentials Scalp Treatment Oil, I am more than excited to try it out myself. So I'm gonna be the little guinea pig for you guys and try it on my hair, and so you get the chance to actually see how it works, what it looks like, how it smells, all that cool stuff. This is kind of like a review video at the same time as I'm demonstrating. So yes, I'm gonna be washing my locks and finally getting this hair clean. So just to give a little update, I am locked now for 3 years and 3 months. Okay, 3 years and 3 months locked. What has been going on? My hair is flourishing so much now. I have been wearing it in curls more than straight. You know, I've been more thinking towards keeping my hair in curls. Number one, I love the way that curls look on locks. Number two, it helps my hair look a lot thicker. If you are interested in finding out ways to make your locks look thicker, if you have thin locks or thinning locks, I do have a video where I talked about my tips and tricks on how you can give the appearance that your hair is fuller than it really is. So I will link that video up above so that you can go ahead and check it out. I will also put it in the description box if you want to check it out after this video. But I love putting my hair in curls because it really gives me a nice look, helps my hair look fuller, and just makes me feel more fun and cutesy and, you know, feminine. So yeah, I've been wearing my hair in curls, have not really been messing with it for that reason. Also, I have not been retwisting my roots as much. The last time I retwisted was about a month ago. And of course, the retwist didn't even last longer than 2 weeks. So since then, I've just been like, you know what, whatever. I'm just gonna let my hair stay, let it breathe, and then I'll go back and retwist it, you know, maybe next week or the following few weeks. But for now, I'm okay with not retwisting. It is cold outside, and I do not feel like feeling that fresh wind running through my scalp, to be honest. So I love growing out my locks. I love growing out my roots. I feel like it's very beneficial, especially when it gets cold. My head stays warm longer, and I don't have to mess around with my hair too much. But anyway, other than that, my hair has been dry, yes, and I think that's partly because of the fact that it's cold outside and it's hot inside my home. Like, we always have the heat blasting, so it is hot, and so I feel like my hair dries out a whole lot. And so I find myself, you know, drinking water all the time because of the fact that I just feel kind of, you know, dehydrated. It's hot out, it's cold outside, and it's warm, very like dry air indoors. So my hair has been suffering from that. Also, my scalp, I've been seeing flakage in my scalp, flakes, and I'm really not about that life. So I'm very happy to be using the Design Essentials scalp treatment oil, because that will help me to minimize the flakage and all that stuff. Also other stuff as well. So my scalp has been flaky, I've been seeing dandruff, my hair is dry. These are all signs that I need to go ahead and wash my locks. So that's pretty much all of the updates that I have concerning my hair. Let's just go ahead and wash this hair right now. Let's go. All right, so the moment I've been waiting for, I am finally getting my hands on this Dr. Locs Yasin Shampoo. Already it is sudsing very, very well straight out the bottle. Usually my first wash go around is a little bit trickier to really get a good suds, but it gave me a decent suds. But the second time, sis, the second time, if you could just see how much suds is just continuing to generate every time I scrub my hair. I've never had this type of situation before. Stay tuned to the end of this video to hear more of my thoughts on this shampoo. Okay, so just a little self-care moment. I was sent this Brilliance Spin Care System, which includes waterproof speed cleansing sets that really helps to buffer and exfoliate your face and your body. It includes an exfoliating brush, pumice stone, crude polish accessory, and a convenience base. I am so excited to try this out. I've never had such a high-tech skincare routine. So when they sent me this, I was super excited and I really wanted to go ahead and try it right away. So first I use my Shauna's Natural Creations face soap, which I love. And I'm using the exfoliating brush on my skin. This brush is so soft. It feels so therapeutic. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going insane. It feels so soft on my skin. And even now, as I'm looking back at this clip, my skin feels very soft and buffered. I love it. Okay, so product number 2 that came highly recommended was the Design Essentials hair oil, and this is what it looks like. Of course, you have to cut the very top nozzle piece off, but for more on what I really think about this product, stay tuned till the end of this video. Alright, so now that we're out the shower and finished using the products, here are my final thoughts. Okay, so let's start off with the Dr. Locs Shampoo. So I like this shampoo, first of all, because of the smell. I'm very big on smells. I am very sensitive to smells, and so one thing that I dislike in products is when they add in so much fragrance that it's like a cologne or an overpowering perfume smell. I really don't like that because I'm so sensitive to smells that it could give me a headache. But this Locs shampoo has like a very light and natural smell. It's not a neutral smell, but it has a very light and gentle smell. I mostly smell the lemongrass in this because there is lemongrass, and I can't even put my hand on it. It just, I smell lemongrass, I smell oil. I smell an oil that is very familiar, but I just don't know. I don't know which one it is. This shampoo includes jojoba oil, grapeseed oil. It also includes aloe vera leaf juice, and eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil, lemongrass oil. I think it's the lemongrass oil that I'm smelling in this, but it smells so good, neutral, light, and gentle. And let me see about. My locks don't really have the smell in my, I don't have the smell in my locks very as potent as it was when I left the shower. So the smell wears off after a few minutes. It's not strong and stays in your hair, it wears off. It's a nice smell, something nice to have, you know, and you feel comfortable washing your hair with this because it's a light, airy smell. It smells very natural, and it includes a whole lot of natural ingredients, so that is something that I like. Definitely something different from my norm. I'm usually using shampoos that have a little mixture of other ingredients. This has got to be by far the most natural shampoo that I've used for my locks. This is the Yasin Shampoo, sulfate-free, and the consistency is not thick at all. It is very loose, very light. I don't know if you can see that, but it is very light. And I love the fact that this thing suds up so quickly and easily. In fact, I think I used a little bit too much when I shampooed my hair, because it seems like with this, a little bit goes a long way. So just a little bit of shampoo is all you need to get the suds, you know, started up and activated. And after that, you're pretty much on your way to washing and cleansing your hair very, very nicely. So it doesn't take a whole lot. I'm pretty heavy-handed with certain products anyway, so that's just something I have to learn within myself, to not use so much, but this was really, really good. Okay, it says it's recommended to wash locks at least 3 times. I washed my locks 2 times. I guess the next time I'll add an extra wash, but I feel like I got a very good cleanse when I washed my hair with this. Also, as far as rinsing the hair, it didn't take very long for me to rinse my hair out. Of course, I am sticking in the shower long just so that I don't have any type of traces of product build up in my hair, but I realized that it doesn't take very long just to, you know, rinse this thing out. What kind of water did I use? I used like a lukewarm temperature water to rinse out my hair, and I was rinsing my hair maybe for about 15 minutes. It came right out very easily. I thought it would take a little bit longer to rinse the shampoo out of my locks because of the way that the shampoo suds up so well in my locks, but it really didn't take long to rinse out. So I love that. Okay, so that's a go. If you are, so if you want to try this product out, and you're tired of the shampoos that just do not work for your hair, and you want to try something more natural and organic, you'll definitely want to keep your eyes peeled for box number 1, which will be on pre-order Black Friday, which is November 29th. Actually, in a few weeks, this product will be in the box. Hands down, it's going in the box. And the second product, the second out of a few other products that I haven't even shown you in this video that will be in the first box, is this Design Essentials Scalp and Skincare. So my scalp is still feeling tingly. Why? Because it includes tea tree oil, peppermint oil, sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, cottonseed oil, sesame seed oil, hemp oil, rosemary extract, aloe. This is really, really good. Now, I'm someone who's very used to creating my own little concoctions. Yes, I am someone who loves a DIY. I like to do things myself, but this thing right here smells so good. It smells so fresh, and it leaves my scalp feeling very nice and just cool. Especially for the fact that I've had dandruff and dry scalp within these last few days. I found that this was very, very essential. So it's very easy to apply. I love this bottle because of the fact that it has this long nozzle. First of all, I thought that this nozzle, all I had to do was like twist it and it would come out. No, this is actually the cover, just to make sure that you don't make a mess of it. You pop it right off, or you twist, you pop it right off, and then here you have the nozzle. And of course, you have to cut the small piece on the top, but after that, you're ready to apply. And it's so easy to apply straight to your scalp. So all you have to do is just grab the bottle and just, you know, work the solution throughout your scalp wherever you need this, you know, moisturizing treatment. You just go ahead and apply it straight to your scalp and massage your scalp. Like, give yourself a nice massage. This is great for anti-itch and tension relief, especially if you do a lot of hairstyles and retwisting and you know that your scalp is a little bit tense and needs a vacation from all of the manipulation. This is great to apply to your hair. It's like a TLC product, something that you can just apply to your scalp and your scalp will refresh and revitalize as a result of you applying this. Because of the great ingredients that it includes, I am now very much aware of why you guys have been talking about this for a while. I love it, and it is cruelty-free, which is awesome as well. This will be a new staple in my hair routine. Plus, it's great for skin, so you can use the same oil on your skin as well. This is especially good for the winter time. You know, the winter seasons are very dry. Like you saw me earlier, my hair was dry, and it's very easy for your hair to lack moisture and that luster. So things like this really help you to work on your scalp, work on your hair, and combat the dryness that your hair could suffer from. You know, as you know, if your locks are dry for a long period of time and you're not like following up with a good, you know, oil treatment like this or a moisturizing shampoo like this, your locks could easily snap, your locks could easily break off, they can thin out. So you want to keep on top of products that are of high quality that will help you to maintain the moisture and the health of your hair and your scalp as well, because everything you do comes from the scalp. But yeah, I'm really excited to have finally tried these out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like I said, these two products will be in box number 1, so keep your eyes peeled. Black Friday, the box will be on pre-order, so go ahead and when we go on pre-order, snag your box before it is all gone. These are so great. I love these two products and I know that you guys will as well. But anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you know, felt the zen that I felt while washing my hair, giving myself a nice skin treatment, and just relaxing, you know, and putting great products in my hair that I know will keep me. And this is all that I really use. This and my, you know, leave-in conditioning spray. I'm not a big product junkie, so something like this is enough for me. And I know it's enough for you. I know a lot of you all are not product junkies. A lot of you with locks don't purchase a lot of products, but it's essential to have a good moisturizing shampoo and an oil blend. You can't go wrong with that. The Nazi Curl Club will include only the stuff that you guys will need. So I'm not packing it out with a bunch of products that we as lockers who don't really purchase a lot of products in the first place don't use. So yeah, so these are the two products that I will be featuring in box number 1, in addition to some lifestyle and beauty items in the box. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for Black Friday, November 29th, the day after Thanksgiving. All right, keep your eyes peeled because the boxes will go fast. So you definitely want to go ahead and lock down your box as soon as we go on pre-order. But thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for many more. Also subscribe if you are not subscribed so that you can get more cool videos like this. I love updating you guys and, you know, doing these things with you all just to kind of inspire and motivate you all on your journey as you are growing your locks out in the most healthiest, beautiful way as possible. Also, hit me up on Instagram. I am itsDesireeMarie_. If you've tried these before, go ahead and, you know, tag me in a picture or something. I don't know, like tag me in a picture, do something. I love communicating with you guys on there and just speaking to you all and connecting with you all on a deeper level. So go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. But anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you and I hope to see you in the next video. Later guys, bye.